Why use article writing software? We all know why we write articles. We all know it takes a long time, and we all know that each article directory expects the article to be in its own special format. Wouldn't you like to make your life a whole lot easier? As an owner of an articles directory, I sometimes see 10 articles per day from the same author. I know that using article writing software will make his life managing the software a whole lot easier. So every now and again a product comes on the market that's perfect for article writers. One such product just came across our desk, and it's so handy, yet so cheap that we had to tell you about it. It's called Article Notepad. It's basically like Notepad, but specifically designed for articles. With it, your articles are much better organized, allowing you to create, edit, and save all your articles in one place. We use it ourselves now instead of having different articles stored in TXT or doc format scattered throughout my hard drive. It features support for title, summary, main body, resource box, and keywords. It also has a word count and the feature to save your resource boxes and import them into new articles. Also, a point which may of interest to you is that the full version has resale rights, so if you want a relevant product to sell from your websites where you keep 100% profit, then this would be a good one.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.